Assalamu alaikum everybody. Welcome to you all. Can you all hear me properly? Can you all hear me? Yes, Betty. Can you all listen to me very properly? Or is there any problem to you all? Yes, Maliha Asif, is it okay? Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now, I'll try my level best to talk to you very clearly and a bit loudly. Okay. So, first of all, we should start the lecture. If you are having any problem, then you can tell me at the end of the lecture. Okay. When I'll be asking to you the question, you will be asking the question at the end. Okay, Abil, just a second. Yes, Abil, do you have any problem? Abil?
Miss, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
Walaikum assalam.
मिस मेरी ना इंग्लिश लिटरेचर की कॉपी कब से खोई हुई है, तो आप जरा एक अनाउंसमेंट करवा दें सब बच्चों से कि सब अपने बैग वैग चेक कर ले कि किसी के पास मेरी कॉपी तो नहीं आई।
Okay, fine. Okay. Have you all listened to Abil? If you are having Abil's copy in your bags, kindly check it properly and return it to school if you got this. Okay, Abil? Thank you so much. Now we should start the lecture. Okay, I'll be taking your all questions at the end. Okay. First, we have to complete the lecture. Welcome to you all students of class 4. This is our English language lecture and I'm your English teacher Sidra. I know that you have already completed two kinds of continuous tenses, which is present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Today we will going to start future continuous, but before that I want your feedback that how much present and past continuous tenses you are having in your minds. Okay, means I want you all to give me a brief feedback about present continuous tense and past continuous tense. Okay, yes, just raise your hand. Okay, who wants to give me the reply of present continuous tense? Who will tell me what is present continuous tense all about? Yes, kindly raise your hand so that I can ask you to unmute. Okay, and then you will be telling me the definition, how do we use it, where do we use it. I'll be asking it. Okay, and you will be giving me the reply in the mic. Okay, yes, who will give me the reply? Just raise your hand. Is there anyone who can give me the reply about which is present continuous tense? Where do we use it? How do we use it? Umme Abiha. Okay, I'll ask you to unmute yourself. Okay, then you will give me the reply. Yes, Umme Abiha. Tell me about present continuous tense.
Present continuous tense is the tense which tell us what is happening.
What is happening right now? Okay.
Yes.
Present continuous tense. Thank you so much, Umme Abiha. Present continuous tense is the tense in which we talk about what is going on, what is we are having, what is happening in the present time which we are having right now. Okay. Okay, Zainab Siddiqui, you will tell me past continuous tense. Okay, Zainab, I am asking you to unmute yourself so that you can give me the reply of past continuous. Yes.
Hello, Miss. Can you hear me?
Yes. Give me the response.
The past continuous tense shows an ongoing action of the past.
Yes, ongoing action in the time of past which has already gone. Very good, very nice. So it means you people are very much aware about continuous tense, that this is the tense in which we talk about any action which is going on, which is in continuation, or it is in progression, okay, progress, which is not completed yet. When we are talking about that particular work, it is not completed yet, वो अभी going on चल रहा है. Very good, very nice answers both of you. Now present continuous tense is used for actions happening now, or for an action that is unfinished, okay, which is incomplete, which is going on right now. This tense is also used when the action is temporary, means it is temporary, it is not for the long lasting results. For example, the boys are playing with the ball, okay, means the boys are playing right now with the ball. I am singing, okay, I am singing at the party today, means this is all about the present continuous, but it is talking about the means time of today, कि आज के दिन किसी वक्त की बात हो रही है, but it is in continuation which is not completed yet. Mark is not making pizza now, means if we are having affirmative sentence, so we can also have negative sentences also, ठीक है. We are not having only affirmative positive sentences, we can have negative sentences also, we can have interrogative sentences also. So in green color you can see we are having not sentences, means negative sentences, that Mark is not making pizza now, they are not eating lunch right now, means something which is not happening right now, okay, something is happening right now, something is not happening right now also. In interrogative sentences, is she laughing, क्या वो हंस रही है, are they listening to the teacher, क्या वो अपनी टीचर की बात सुन रहे हैं, means each and every tense we have three types of sentences, which is affirmative, which is also called positive sentences, not sentences, which is also called negative sentences, and then interrogative, in which we ask some questions to someone, okay. Now this is past continuous tense, which is used to describe actions that began in the past and often continued for a short period of time after the action started. Means something or some work or some action has already started in the past at a particular time, and it was continued in the past for a short period of time, okay. पास्ट में ही स्टार्ट हुआ था, एंड इन द पास्ट ऑल्सो इट वॉज अ बिट इन कंटिन्यूएशन, वो उस वक्त चल रहा था, काम किया जा रहा था, खाना खाया जा रहा था, सोया जा रहा था, ओके. This tense describes actions or events that happened at a specific time in the past. These actions are usually no longer happening at the time the sentence is being said or written, means in present the action is not in the continuation. जब हम बात कर रहे होते हैं उस एक्शन के बारे में, it was not going on at the same time, but it started in the past, it was in the continuation in the past. अभी की बात नहीं हो रही, we are talking about the past, the time which has already gone. For example, the sun was shining brightly, okay, means if you ask to somebody that did you see the sun yesterday, it was shining very brightly, it was shining brightly, and it was looking very good, okay. So we are talking about the past time, वो अभी brightly shine नहीं कर रहा, but we are talking about the past time, okay. Ellen was cutting the grass, means if I ask you that when you were coming to the school, what Ellen was doing, okay, what Ellen was doing, you will reply me that Ellen was cutting the grass, कि जब मैं स्कूल आ रहा था तो Ellen was cutting the grass, he is not cutting right now, अभी वो काम नहीं कर रहा, but in the past he was doing that work. This is all explanation, okay. Right now you don't have to write anything in your copies, I will let you know when I'll be starting written work, okay. Don't confuse, okay, just listen to me. Listen to me first. Whenever I will say to you to do something, then you will be going to do that, okay. Don't get confused right now, this is only for the explanation and these are the examples, okay. So you are not going to write it in your copy, just listen to me, okay. This is only the revision of present and past continuation. Yes, then we have also negative sentences. I was not feeling well, we were not traveling when you called us, okay. The same affirmative sentences also you can made in the negative. For example, the sun was shining brightly, the sun was not shining brightly. Okay, Alan was cutting the grass, Alan was not cutting the grass. It means every sentence you can make it in your affirmative, negative and interrogatives. Now, this was two topics which you have already done. This is our today's topic, which is about future continuous tense. Okay, we have done present, past. Now we are going to start future continuous tense, in which we talk about the continuation of the verb about future time, which has not come yet, the time which has not come yet, and we are talking about the work which will be going on in the future. Okay, हम किस काम के बारे में बात करते हैं? We talk about the work which will be going on in the future. Okay. So we are going to start today future continuous tense. First of all, we should know that when and why do we use future continuous tense? Okay, what is the reason? Why should we do that? Why should and where should we start, or where should we use future continuous tense? हमें कब और कहाँ use करना चाहिए? How to use it? First of all, these are some points which are given to you in front of your screen. Okay, you can see that when do we use future continuous tenses? Okay, action in progress at a time in the future. As I told you that whatever is the action which will be going on in the future. Okay, we have some plans for future. Okay, according to the time. We sometimes we already plan for something about the future, that this time I'll be going there, this time I'll be writing my work, this time I'll be taking my class. Okay, so anything, any action in progress at a time in the future, then we use future continuous tense. For example, I'll be meeting Tom this Saturday. Okay, it is all about future, so we should not talk about the previous days, we should talk about the future days that has not completed, that has not happened yet, और जो वो दिन जो अब तक आया ही नहीं है. Okay, वो time जो अब तक नहीं आया है, it will be coming in the future, but we haven't seen that time yet. So it is about the action in progress, or it will be in the progress in the time in future. No, you don't have to write it right now. I will tell you that when you have to write down this anything. Okay, don't start writing right now. Just look at the screens and listen to me very carefully. Now, the second point is interrupted action when in the future, means there is something which is happening and some other work interrupts that work. Okay, कि कोई चीज in the continuation hai, okay, and some other work interrupted that action, then also we use future continuous tense. For example, the word when is usually used whenever we are having this type of actions which are interrupted actions, तो हम when का word use करेंगे. How we will use it? For example, she will be waiting for you when you arrive, कि जब तुम आओगे तो she will be waiting for you, वो तुम्हारा already wait कर रही होगी. It means that these are the two words over there and one word is going to interrupt the other one. Okay, then third, we have parallel actions in the future, means two actions are going on at the same time. The word while or and are usually used for these types of work which are parallel actions. For example, Sam will be dancing while Paul will be singing, means Sam is also doing some other work and the Paul is also doing some other work. Okay, so two parallel actions are going on or will be going on in the future, then also we use future continuous tense. This is at the top of this slide, you can see the structure of future continuous tense, that will be plus V1, and with V1 we have to use present participle form of verb, ing form of the verb. As you know that we have three types of verbs, okay, three forms of verb, and this is called also, sometimes some people also call it ing form or fourth form also, which is also called present participle. One is present form, second is past form, third is past participle form, and the fourth form, which is also called ing form, is also called present participle form of the verb. Okay, so in the structure of future continuous tense, we have to use will be as a helping verb, which always stands in front of the main verb, and the main verb will be coming with the ing form of it. Okay. So see the example, I will be singing in the concert tomorrow means tomorrow has not come yet. Obviously आने वाला कल तो अभी नहीं आया ना, वो तो कल ही आएगा. So example is I'll be singing in the concert tomorrow, कि कल मैं concert में गाना गा रहा हूँगा. Okay. So this is called future continuous tense, and we have to use helping verb will be. We have to use helping verb will be with this tense, and we have to use V1 ing form, verb की fourth form, which is also called present participle form, and we will be using it when we have to use future continuous tense. Now, these are the structures of future continuous tense according to the form of sentences. For example, positive, which is called affirmative, negative, which is also called negative, and the question words, question sentences, which are called interrogative sentences. Okay. So first one structure is subject plus will be. Okay, we have to use will and be, both. They are two helping verbs. Okay, we are having two helping verbs over here. This is not a single one. They are two helping verbs, subjects plus will plus be. Okay, plus verb first form ing. Obviously we use ing with the first form of the verb. हम कभी भी second या third form के साथ ing use नहीं कर सकते. We have to make ing form or present participle form of V1 always. Okay. So subject plus will plus be plus V1 ing form, which is also called present participle, and then the object will be coming over here. See the example, I will be singing in the concert tomorrow. Okay, when we will be converting it into negative sentences, what we have to do, we have to split these two helping verbs and we have to put not between them. Okay, we have two helping verbs will and be. हम उनको split करेंगे and we will be putting not between these two helping verbs. हम उस not को helping verb के अंदर दोनों के बीच में put करेंगे, in between the two helping verbs. For see the structure now, subject plus will plus not plus be. Okay, हम will और be को split करके not को उसके अंदर बीच में put करेंगे, and then again we have to continue the previous structure as it is. So what will it become? We have to put not between will and be. So the sentence will be, I will not be singing in the concert tomorrow. Similarly, in the interrogative sentences, first you have to split the two helping verbs which are already given to you. Okay, आप जब interrogative बनाएंगे तो you will be having the affirmative of that sentence or you will be having the negative sentence. आप उसको interrogative में convert कर रहे होंगे. So your helping verbs will be given in the sentence. आपने क्या करना है? You just have to split the helping verbs. उसके बीच में subject put करना है. Similarly, will plus subject plus be and then be one ing form, then object and question mark. Okay. So what will be the sentence? Will you be singing in the concert? And then question mark. Without question mark, without putting question mark, you cannot make the right interrogative sentence. So your marks will be deducted if you will not put question mark at the end of the interrogative sentence. So I will be singing in the concert. I will not be singing in the concert. Will you be singing in the concert? Okay. Will I be singing in the concert? Will she be singing in the concert? But we usually don't ask questions to ourselves. हम अपने आप से तो questions नहीं करते ना. That's why they have changed. I have changed. I को यहाँ मैंने you से replace कर दिया था. Okay. Will you be singing in the concert tomorrow? हम अपने आप से तो नहीं पूछेंगे क्या मैं singing करने जा रहा हूँ tomorrow in the concert. No, we will not ask questions to ourselves. ठीक है, हम दूसरे से ही question करते हैं. That's why subject I is changed in the interrogative sentence, that will you be singing in the concert tomorrow? Okay. Now make these sentences in the future continuous tense. We have some sentences, verb form is given to us. Just we have to put helping verb over there and we have to change first form of the verb into fourth form of the verb, which is ing form, or we can say that it is present participle form of the verb. Correct? So what you have to do, you just have to put helping verb and then you have to change the verb form to make it future continuous tense. Yes, who will be making it future continuous tense? Who will be making it future continuous tense? Yes. Can you people raise your hand who know how to convert this sentence into future continuous? No, you don't have to write it. अभी आपने कुछ नहीं लिखना. When you have to write, I'll let you know. Okay? Yes, Mehdi, can you give me the reply in through the mic? Mehdi, can you reply me in the through the mic? Or you will write in the chat box. You people are not raising your hands. That's why I don't understand who can give me that answer. Okay, first I'll ask to Mehdi. Yes, Mehdi, can you give me the reply through the mic? Mehdi, I ask you to unmute yourself. No, I don't think so. You have a proper mic. That's why you are not responding. Yes. Yes, Mehdi.
Teacher, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
Teacher, the answer is will.
Will. Give me the proper answer. Complete answer.
I will write my exam this time tomorrow.
No, see this slide. See this slide. You have to use will plus be also. Okay, and ing form of the verb also. Okay, according to this structure, what you will have to do, subject plus be.
I will writing my exam
No, I
this
will be
time.
writing.
I will be writing
Yes.
my exam this time tomorrow.
Tomorrow के कल मैं इस वक्त अपना एग्जाम राइटिंग कर रही होंगी या कर रहा होऊंगा. Okay. Good. Yes. Yes, Abil, can you give me the response of number 2? Abil,
Yes,
can you
miss.
give me the answer? Yes.
We will be watch a movie in the evening.
No. Again, you are doing wrong. We will be watching a movie in the evening.
Oh,
Okay?
yes.
Yes.
We will be watching a movie in the evening.
Very good, shabash. You have to use ing form plus will be also over there. Yes, Anshara Mansoor, can you give me the reply of number 3? Anshara, can you give me the reply of number 3?
Yes, miss.
Yes, good.
They are celebrating their anniversary.
No, Anshara, no. Just look at this structure. You don't have to use are, you have to use will be.
They will be celebrating their anniversary next month.
Very good, very nice. Okay, very good, shabash. Okay, then Askari Hassan, can you give me the reply in the mic? Yes, number 4 is?
Yes, teacher.
Hmm?
The dog dash waiting for his master at the gate. The dog will be waiting for the master at the gate.
Very good, very nice, shabash. Okay, and Ayman Farooq, can you give me the answer of number 5?
Yes,
Ji.
I will be working hard for my exam.
Very nice, very good. So these are the so this is the structure of future continuous tense that you have to use will be. Okay, will be before main form of the verb, and the main form of the verb is present participle verb. See the answers over here. I will be writing, we will be watching, they will be celebrating, the dog will be waiting, I will be working. So these are the sentences of future continuous tense in which we use will be, okay, will be plus V1 ing form. Similarly, see, she will be singing, I will be dancing, okay. So they are the sentences in which we have to use will be plus V1 ing. Now look at this picture. What we will be doing at this time next week कि हम इस time next week क्या हम वाकई घर पे बैठे हुए अपना lecture attend कर रहे होंगे or we will be conducting the class physically in the school, है ना. We are uncertain about the future but we have got some plannings. We don't know about the future कि क्या होने वाला है, but we have some plannings about the future that I will be going to dine out today or tonight, okay. तो हम आज क्या कर रहे हैं या नेक्स्ट वीक में या नेक्स्ट मंथ में what we are going to do, we have some planning about the future. उसके अकॉर्डिंग we can make the sentences by these pictures. See, Chris looked at himself in a mirror. At this time next week, Chris will be looking at himself in a mirror. So you have to use will be and the verb ing form will be used over here. Okay, Jihan Rani. Yes, see the second picture and make the sentence of future continuous tense. Okay? Just a second. I ask you unmute yourself. Yes. What's your name? Jeshna Rani. Yes. Yes, Jeshna. Is it your proper name?
Robert
Jeshna,
will taking some photos.
No, I'm talking about the second picture. I am talking about the second picture. Can you see the screen?
Will be sleeping on his feet.
Very good, shabash. This is the right answer, that Ayan will be sleeping on his feet. Okay, yes. So these are some pictures. Yes, who will give me a sentence about Kate? What will be Kate doing? What will be Kate doing? Maliha Saif. Okay, Maliha? Yes. Give me the sentence about Kate. What Kate will be doing? Yes, this one. Can you
Cat
see?
will
Yes.
be
Kate, it is not
dreaming
cat, it is
about
Kate.
her holiday.
Repeat your answer.
Cat will be dreaming about her holiday.
Holidays. Very nice. Very good. So it means that you all are understood about future continuous tense, that where and why should we need that to use. Very nice. Yes. Now, these are some questions you can ask to your siblings, to your friends, okay, about the future plannings, to your parents even at your home. You can practice and you can converse with your friends and family also, that what you will be doing at this time tomorrow, what you will be doing at this time after 3 days, what you will be doing at this time after a month, okay. So you can you can ask about the future plannings of your friends, family, siblings, okay. Yes, Zian Faisal. Okay, I'll ask a question with Zian also, so that I know about. Yes, yes, Zian. Can you give me the reply of what you will be doing tomorrow at this time? Yes, Zian. Zayan Faisal, can you hear me? Zayan, can you hear me? I can't hear you. You have unmuted yourself, but you are not giving me the answer. Yes, Zian, give me the reply through the mic. Okay, Zian, you can write the answer in the chat box. Zian, you can write the answer in the chat box. Okay, I'll read from here. Okay, now look at the screen again. We have also some translations about the same topic. Okay. Number 1 is तलबा घर वापस जा रहे होंगे. Again you can see that we are talking about what will be happening. Okay, क्या हो रहा होगा. हम मकान में सफ़ेदी कर रहे होंगे. सफ़ेदी means to paint. Okay, सफ़ेदी does not mean कि हम उसको सफ़ेद कर रहे होंगे. Means we will be painting. Okay, तलबा घर वापस जा रहे होंगे. The students will be going back home. Okay, we have to use will be plus go ing form. देन हम मकान में सफ़ेदी कर रहे होंगे. वी शैल बी और वी विल बी वाइट वॉशिंग द हाउस और पेंटिंग द हाउस. ओके, बोथ आर सेम. Okay, shall is normally not used nowadays. Okay, we mostly use will and shall is obsolete, so we can remove this. Okay, हम shall नहीं use करते आजकल. Nowadays we only use will. Shall is obsolete now, it is outdated now, it is old now. Okay, we are not using it anymore. Yes, number 3, मैं किताब की जिल्द बना रहा हूँगा. I will be binding the book. Okay, जख्मी का खून बह रहा होगा. ऑब्वियसली इफ द पेशेंट इज नॉट ट्रीटेड, अगर उसको टाइम पर ट्रीट नहीं किया जाएगा तो उसका खून बह रहा होगा. ऑब्वियसली द ब्लड ऑफ वाउंडेड विल बी फ्लोइंग. ओके, वाउंडेड मीन्स जख्मी. द ब्लड ऑफ वाउंडेड विल बी फ्लोइंग. Similarly, you have to make these 5 sentences, okay, in your copy. Now I ask you all to take out your copies first. Everybody take out your copies. Open the page of index. Everybody open the page of index. Yes, open the page of index. Do as I am telling you. Okay, do whatever I am telling you to do. Don't go fast. Don't go faster than me. मुझसे आगे मत जाइए please. Whatever I am telling you to do, just do it right now. Okay, first open the page of index. Yes, English language. Obviously, you are having your English language copies. Literature, so you have already submitted. Okay, English language copies, open it. In the index page, write down today's date, which is 25th of January. Okay. In the middle column of topics, you have to write down future continuous tense. In the topic column, you will be writing the topic name, which is future continuous tense. Okay. Now open the page where you have to complete the work, where you have to start writing the written work. वो page open कीजिए. Open your copies where you have to write down the work today. Vanya Khan, I'll let you know. Okay, if your index page is finished, I'll let you know. Just a second. Yes. You have to make a title page. Okay. You have to make a title page of future continuous tense where you have to start your written work. You will be making a title page over there of future continuous tense. Ji Maliha Saif. Yes, Maliha, you can ask anything. Dua Habib, why did you submitted language copy? You had to submit English literature copy on Saturday. आपने language copy क्यों submit करवाई? Okay, Vanya, fine. Okay. If your index page is finished, you can write it at the back side of the copy. You are having a test index pages. Okay, आप वहाँ भी index बना सकती हैं. So Maliha, you have to collect it from the school first. Okay, you have to complete the work in your English language copy, not in literature copy. If you have submitted by mistake, so you should come to the school and collect it from the reception. Okay. Okay, after making title page, at the next page you have to write down the date. Okay, आपने date mention करनी है and you have to write this translation heading. Okay, you will be having translation. Okay, you will be writing translation, and after the translation you have to write the structure also. Okay, structure of future continuous tense. Okay, everybody. Okay, you have to write down the structure first, like subject. Okay, you have to write subject, then plus you have to use will and be plus v1 and its ing form. Okay, plus object. Okay, this structure should be given first. आपका structure होगा, then it will be completed. Here also you have to write down the structure first, like this. Okay, translation की heading, after the translation heading you have to write down the structure, subject plus will be plus v1 ing plus object. Okay, no title page will be made only for future continuous tense. When you will be going to the next page, you have to write down the date first, and then at the red border you have to write down the translation. Yes, Anaya Mursaleen, should I unmute you to ask? Yes, Anaya, you can ask me through the mic. Yes, Anaya.
Miss, मिस इंडेक्स मेरा जो इंडेक्स है ना,
Yes.
हाँ वो मेरा पूरा नहीं हुआ है, और ये जो अभी आप काम कर रही है, मुझे पहले इसके लिए टाइटल पेज बनाना है. कौन सा टाइटल पेज बनाना है मुझे?
फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का.
ओके मिस, और पास्ट एंड कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का टाइटल पेज बनाना है, और इसके बाद अगले पेज पे ट्रांसलेशन की वो बनानी है,
हेडिंग देनी है. डोंट मेक टाइटल पेज, हेडिंग देनी है. ओके, नाउ वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम, सो आई विल बी अपलोडिंग द असाइनमेंट. यू हैव टू कॉपी डाउन फ्रॉम देयर. वी हैव मेड टाइटल पेज, सिर्फ नेक्स्ट पेज से आपने असाइनमेंट कंप्लीट करना होगा. ओके, थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ. इंशाल्लाह वी विल मीटिंग टुमारो in the next class. Thank you all of you. Allah Hafiz.